Now these are the propeller guards. So I'm just going to open them up. So it's got a clip to it, and it does tell you what side the propeller goes on to. So so if you can see, it says RR right there, which means the right rear. Then I've got the RF, which is the right front. And similarly, we've got the left hand side, the pair. So before you actually attach the propeller pairs, you've got to clip them in together. So it should just give you a click, and then just on your aircraft, because this is the right side, it should simply just slide in. And then you put the clip and lock it. And you do the same on the other side. So to remove the propeller guards, just the same way you put them on, just unclip them right here for each side first, and then just slide them off. And then just the same on the other side.